Hello friends. Good morning. Dr. Harshavardhan here from Vice Academy, urologist here. So today we are having here Dr. Vishal Narkade. He is here to share his experience journey, and he's here to share tips how he has prepared for INI CET and NEET SS. Last year, Vishal was with us. He got a rank around 400, and now in INI he got a common rank of 5, and he attended the interview as well for AIMS, and where he got rank 9. So now he has opted for JIPMER. Dr. Vishal, good morning.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing absolutely fine, sir. How are you?
Very much fine, Vishal. So all set to join JIPMER?
Sir, actually, I have reported the institute and now waiting for joining date. They have asked me to join between 24th and 25th.
Okay.
I'll be joining by 24th.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, Vishal. You can just introduce yourself. Tell us about your MBBS and post graduation, where you have done from, and how you started your preparation for NEET SS.
Yes, sir. Myself, Dr. Vishal Narkade. I have done my undergraduation from Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, Nagpur, and I have completed my PG from Nair Hospital, Mumbai. In 2019, I passed out from MS. I began my journey with Vice Academy on the very first day of the academy only. Means very first class I was there for the with Vice.
Okay. Okay.
Last year I got 446 rank in NEET SS, and then only I decided to continue with Vice only, because I knew the lecture and the material which sir has provided was very good. uh, I was short in my preparation, frankly speaking. So I decided upon to continue with for one more year, and then I could find the lectures and the material very helpful. The difference between last year and this year's was the revision only. I have revised the same material. If last year I was able to revise it thrice, I revised it 10 times for in this year. The same material. Nothing else I have read apart from what sir has given from for urology. Really, the number of revisions that has changed from last year to this year. Nothing has changed.
So then it is a tremendous journey from 446 in NEET SS to rank 5 in INI CET-SS. It's a remarkable journey. So 1 year of hard work. So during this 1 year, Vishal, were you working or were you only concentrating on studies?
Sir, last year I was completely working as an assistant professor in the Department of Surgery at Nair only. This year,
Okay.
partly, I left in the month of February, I think, February 2021, I left because I thought exam will be in the month of June. So, taking those 4 to 5 months in hand, I left the job and started solely preparing for the exam only. But as we all know, exam got delayed and got more time to prepare.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So one more thing, you said it got delayed. So during your preparation, suddenly there was a change, and it was a shocker for you that
Yes.
all these efforts that you have put, reading Campbell, reading Wise notes, and all these things, now it went into vain. Suddenly they said that they are going to change the pattern into what to say, general surgery. So how did you take it, and what was your reaction to it?
Sir, like for anyone else who was preparing, it was quite a shock for first a day or two. Then I realized ki now this is the situation, this is the reality. Now you have to face it, and we know ki nothing can change the NB people's mind. So I thought just go ahead with the preparation. I started focusing on surgery. Especially, sir, I felt ki I was a bit short on the super specialty part. So I used
Okay.
that day, means the first notification and the second notification, when it got reversed during that period of a month or so. I completely focused on super specialty part, because when it shifted from 40 to 150, I realized ki there's going to be more weightage on super specialty part. So I was well prepared with general surgery by then, because it was anyway it was going to be part of my syllabus.
Exactly.
SS in the previous pattern, but I focused on SS part more. And by the time the decision got reversed, the second notification came. My only worry, super specialty, I had hold on it. So it actually worked very well for me. Actually,
Okay.
if
Okay.
you that, I used to worry about my super specialty part only, sir. Because of this notification thing, I got hold on super specialty also. Because those 20 days, I prepared only super specialty.
All.
6, 7 topics of super specialty. I just finished them all in 15, 20 days.
SS. So how was your experience giving INS at SS? It was the first of its kind being conducted.
Yeah.
So you gave a lot of mock exams with us. We have
Yes, sir.
conducted general surgery mock exams, 150, 150
Yes, sir.
MCQs ka general surgery mock exams we have conducted. We have
Yes.
conducted at least 10 super specialty urology based mock exams. So giving these mock exams and giving INS CETSS, so how did you feel when you are giving that exam?
Yes, sir. Sir, as I said earlier, the difference between the last year and this year's preparation was the revision. The, the other most important point was giving mocks. Sir, last year I could not give those many mocks, but this year, since the exam was originally scheduled in the month of June, we were giving mocks from the month of June only. So by the time INS SS declared, we already have 7 odd mocks plus 150 marks mocks of general surgery, and even those special 3 mocks of INS also we had given. So that was a wonderful experience, sir. Actually, the difficulty level of the questions were exactly in line with what these people ask in INI. More of clinical based, less of one liners and information based questions. So these mocks actually helped me line my mind with the pattern of the question. Again, the other important thing is the time management, sir. Time management is always crucial when it comes to these things, because if you get stuck in a question for 2 or 3 minutes, you will end up losing 2 or 3 questions eventually. So mocks
Exactly.
also help you to mocks also help you to manage the time better, and at the same time it enables you those questions which we know, we tend to mark them correctly, but mocks help us to know how much time to uh, give such a question that you are not sure. Just give it 10 seconds, 20 seconds, leave it. Eventually if it comes, it comes, otherwise just leave it. So mocks actually help it. And the quality of mocks, sir, that is no problem with it. Every mock is very well means weightage wise it was perfect. Stones, oncology, general basics part is very well weightage distribution, sir. And no too much of importance on pediatric surgery or neuro surgery, neuro euro. Sir, we tend to,
Exactly.
we as a student who are preparing for NEET or INS, looking at the volume of these 2 topics, neuro urology and pediatric urology, we tend to give much more time on it. But I
Exactly.
think any exam, whether it is NEET, SS or INI, there are not more than 2 questions from each of this topic. I don't say these are not important, but you should focus your time on stones, oncology, general basics, andrology, rather than giving time to. So that mock also means I was having this doubt in my mind. Mock validated this. There are no 2 or more questions, not more than 2 questions on either of this topic. So
Exactly.
mocks that way help, sir.
Exactly. See, the idea of giving mock exams and actually any competitive exam is we should know what to read. Like a
What to
surgeon,
read? Yes.
yeah, like a surgeon, what we are taught each and every day, you should know when not to operate. So that holds
Yeah.
good. That holds good even in our preparation. You should know what not to read. You should know what to read. So there is no
Yes.
point in concentrating on unnecessary topics. So you will be losing
Yes.
time. Instead, you can be
Yes.
revising some important topics like stone, BPH, Euro, Onco, which are having more weightage. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. So you gave this general surgery 150 MCQs. We have conducted some around 4 mock exams. We have put a
Yeah.
lot of clinical questions from
Awesome.
basics of general surgery also. How did you feel while giving those mock exams? Was there any comparison of these general surgery MCQs in NEET, your INI set SS?
Exactly, sir. Actually, now that difference of INI SS and NEET SS is very feeble, sir. Both of them are asking clinical based questions only. They are not asking now one liners. Hardly percent of them are one liners. Other clinical based questions only. mock actually, as they say, key for general surgery part, you have to be thorough with all the three books, at least Bailey, Sabiston, and Schwartz. But practically speaking, sir, it is not possible to have similar hold on all three books. You tend to lose. Sir, there comes the role of this mock, sir. Actually, what I did prepare Bailey thoroughly. I was thorough with GI topic of Sabiston. But Schwartz, apart from breast and thyroid, I have never read in my PG days. So mock there helps, sir. I gave mock. I solved the mocks. I noted down the points. And sir, those topic wise mocks also are very beautiful because each and every line is covered in that mock. So some dry topics are there, like pediatric surgery topics. We get to bore while reading, and we tend to forget those points. They don't come in our mind. The question can be asked from this line. But mock, when you solve the question based on that topic, when you give that test, then you come to know, oh, the such question can be asked on such a line. So I think for general surgery part, better is to be thorough with Bailey and then give mocks based on Sabiston, and the rest things will get covered in those mocks. And sir, I will recommend anyone the Wise Academy, those chapter based mocks. They are nothing like that, sir. I don't think one can be more prepared with a chapter, while means there are two ways: prospectively reading a topic and then giving a mock, and other way retrospectively, you give a mock first and then you read the chapter. Sir, the latter part, your perspective changes when you give a mock based on a chapter, and then you go on to read that chapter. Since we are MS, sir, we have at least once we have read that topic sometime in back. But if you give that mock and then you read that chapter, you get that superpower to read in between the lines. Because sir, because the one who is setting the question is quite senior to us. He has given all those exams. He is quite sir, that's so that mocks are very good, sir.
The same thing has been written in the foreword of Bailey and Love. What the mind doesn't know, the eye cannot see.
Yes, exactly.
So that is what you are saying. So yes, once you go and see the test, for example, you were telling about pediatric surgery. When you see the pediatric test, pediatric surgery ka jo Bailey and Sabiston ka jo combo हमने बनाया, when you see all those MCQs, okay, you will realize, they can ask something as shitty as this. They can ask something
yes, sir,
in between these lines. So when you go back and start reading the same topic, you will have a completely different perspective and realization. Okay, I have to concentrate on this topic as well. So that is the idea. That is the idea of putting so many MCQs there, so that even if the student is missing one MCQ, he will get to know, okay, this topic mujhe padhna hai, this topic mujhe padhna hai. And also we thought, just in case if a candidate is not able to study a topic, at least if he sees those MCQs, by heart those MCQs, and below the MCQ you have that explanation, which has been taken as a screenshot from the relevant textbook. Rapid revision हो जाएगा वहाँ पे.
हो जाएगा, yes sir, definitely sir.
So during your preparation there will be ups and downs, and lots of days where you will feel low. अरे यार एक साल हो गया, 15 महीना हो गया, अभी क्या करना है with this court cases, lots of court cases. You will feel depressed and you feel like giving up. There will be a day.
Yes, sir.
So what you use it today? What was your source of inspiration? What made you hang on?
Yes, sir. Sir, I had actually left a very good job. The department was very good. So for me, I had given up a very big thing in my life. Department was very nice. I had a settled job. So I knew if I am going to sit and study, then I must get, because what I am losing is too much for me. So that was an inspiration. I must walk ahead only. I should not look back. And the other things are partner in study, sir. Swanit, Dr. Swanit is from
Swanit Deshpande. Yeah, Swanit Deshpande. Yes, yeah. He also got a good rank in INI set. Yeah, I remember.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's a 9, CML 9. He's CML 9.
Yes.
So we used to read together only, sir. So whenever I used to feel, he's 1 year junior to me, sir. He's a year junior to me in MS. From Nair, he has done Nair from Nair.
Okay.
We had worked together. So he was actually helping me, sir, don't feel bad. We are on the right track. Just continue. And whenever he used to feel low, I used to motivate him. Ki, Are, chal, abhi bahut acha ho gaya hai. Just we are 2 months away from the exam. And our preparation, everything I was preparing, he was aware of it. Everything he was preparing, I was aware of it. So we faced the same problems and we managed the problems together. So actually that was that problem I never faced, sir, actually, because of him only.
This is a very, very valid and good point, Vishal. What happens,
Yes,
what
sir.
human psychology, what it tends to do is they feel that our friend is a competition for the exam.
Hmm.
So when you stop feeling that he's a competitor and realizing that we can both channel our energies together and work together,
Yeah.
then obviously the efficiency may be more. See, sometimes, yeah, see, you got rank 5, he got rank 9. So just here and there, it doesn't make
Yeah.
much of a difference.
Yes, sir.
But when two like-minded people work together, obviously the result will be good. Same like
Yeah.
doing a surgery,
Yeah.
same like doing a surgery,
Yes.
especially when you are contemplating
Yes, sir.
a complicated surgery.
Exactly.
You see, you ask for help. You call your partner, you
Help.
call your friend. It will, it doesn't, just even the psych of it will help you perform better. So
Yeah.
very good,
Yes.
very, very,
Exactly.
very valid point that you have
Fine.
shared
Yes,
today. I
sir.
think our friends who are watching this video, who will watch this video, should realize that reading in groups will definitely help.
Definitely.
Um, so how was your study pattern? I mean, how many hours you used to study in a day, and how many hours you used to categorize for general surgery or for urology? Was there any time demarcation?
No, sir. Actually, means I would say last year I prepared for 12-14 hours a day. Last year when I got
Hmm.
446. This year, sir, maximum in a day I could read was 8 to 9 hours. That's it. But sir, the change was in the consistency. Every day I read for those many hours.
Mhm.
Live apart 2-3 days in a month. Someone's birthday is there, parents have come, then that is a different issue. But consistency is what is required. Even if you read 6-8 hours a day, but consistently, for 6 days out of a week, then I think that the key lies there only. And sir, pattern, as I said, I worked with Swanit, so we could chalk out a plan for a month or 15 days. He used to read topic A, I used to read topic B. Then he used to tell me regarding that topic, I used to tell him regarding that topic. So by the end of that cycle of 7 days or 15 days, we used to be prepared with 4 or 5 topics simultaneous. May it be
Okay.
urology, may it be general surgery. And sir, notes are the wise notes are like that na ki you even as you go on revising it, one time you read, second time you read, third time you read, to remember it, it becomes easier with the revision. The notes are
Hmm.
very well compiled like that. Pictures are there, so we can very well remember the things. And I had prepared my own notes from your notes, sir. For revision sake, I had put mnemonics in it, I had put picture diagrams in it, I had put some, like Kaushik sir ko wo, Kaushik sir usually in his notes
Mantras.
he put some unrelated images to that I remember, sir, from that Dona Median model you had put a
Exactly.
still from a Hollywood movie.
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
I
yes.
just copied that from you only, sir, and in my notes I started putting like that, and eventually I realized ki it is easier to remember things like that.
I put something Sheldon staging. Oh, Big Bang ka Sheldon,
Sheldon,
Sheldon kind of.
yes, 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 sir, yes, sir,
Yes,
yes, sir.
and pout trail, pout trail. I mean,
Oh,
people,
yeah.
people are so crazy about that pout, pout trail.
Yes, sir.
So
So
see,
I could find it very
yeah, yeah. That's what.
amazing.
So we need to be creative and simplify things in life.
Yes, sir.
That's it. That's it. Be it in preparation, be it in life, or wherever it is, we need to keep it
Yes, sir.
simple. That's it.
Yes, sir.
So that's what we have been translating in our teaching as well. So that
Yeah.
our funda was always once when the student is sitting in the exam hall, when there is a question, एक बार आंख बंद किया तो उसको हमारा याद आना है दैट क्लास
Yeah.
में जो लाइन हमने जो पढ़ा है एज इट इज
पढ़े
या दिस इज रीटी और बीटी का कॉन्सेप्ट हर्षा सर ने उस दिन बताया
बता
the plan is you have to this is muzzle is not there yes I have to mark it
go for
rt or
UT orbit.
bt
Yes.
and this why I'm telling is yesterday and day before yesterday many of our students have called and told the rt or bt I think they have given two
Question was
mcqs
ha
two
ha.
mcqs in NEET
Yes.
ss
Yes.
most of
Yes.
them remembered what we have discussed in
Yes. Yes.
so they were very
Exactly.
pretty much happy.
Yes, sir.
So Vishal, any tips, final words you want to share, you want to tell with tell to the aspirants who are going to appear for the new pattern, 150 MCQ pattern,
No, but
general
Ha, ha.
surgery pattern. So
Yes.
any tips you want to give them how to prepare for the?
Yes, sir. First, you have to manage the time. You have got at least, say this is January month is going on, 6 7 months is much. So don't think you are going to read Bailey, Sabiston and Schwarz everything. That is not going to happen. And even if you read, you will not have command on all these three books. This what I feel I am telling. Anyone can differ. So what I would say, you be thorough with Bailey. You read GI and general part of the Sabiston if possible. Otherwise, you go for topic wise tests. You solve those tests 3 4 times. See, if you read a chapter of nutrition from Sabiston, if you start it in a day, if you put 10 12 13 hours, then only you can finish that chapter in a day. But if you give wise test on the chapter of nutrition, or the general Sabiston ka test jo hai Sabiston ka, if you give that, you can finish the test in 3 hours, and you can revise that test thrice in the same amount of time which you can read prospectively the chapter. So I would say put smart effort rather than just putting the time into the study. You have to be thorough with Bailey. If possible, the GI part of the Sabiston, since there are 150 questions, they are going to go line by line and they are going to ask questions. This is what I think. But for preparation part, it is not possible to be equally thorough with all the three books. So you just be thorough with Bailey, the GI part of the Sabiston, and then rest of the things you can rely upon the chapter wise test. I think those are best for that sort. And again, revision part you must focus on. Revision is not necessarily you took a chapter and you are revising it today, then you tend to forget that chapter for 20 days. So what I used to do sir, I had put a whiteboard in my room. So whatever topic I feel is important, I used to put a marker word for that topic. Like for example, MPMRI in prostate. So I had put two words, precision trial and promise trial. I had put it. So then whenever I see these two words, I use in my mind, I used to revise the whole topic. What is
That's what
MPMRI? What are the 5
exactly.
stages?
Ghanta bajna hai.
Yes. And whenever I Ghanta Bajna, yes, sir. That you used to say Ghanta Bajna, yes, sir. And then if I got stuck, then only I used to open my iPad and I used to go through the topic of MPMRI. So that way you have to plan it smartly rather than, like I said, I read more last year in terms of hours of study, but consistency and focus on the revision. That will be my mantra for those who wish to follow, sir. And one study companion, sir, that Swanit, I owe a huge part of my preparation
Success you
this
want.
year to Swanit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
All the best and take care. Thanks for
Thank you.
being with us. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.